So the answer is that the first three are correct. We want to get started programming, and we'll get started programming very soon. The most important thing is to learn some computer science concepts, and we'll do that as we get started programming as well as along the way. And the third goal is to write code to extract a link from a web page. That will be the first thing that we do to start building our search engine and collecting the corpus that we need for the search engine. The fourth choice is not true. We're not going to get to the point where we write code to rank web pages in this unit. That's something that we will cover in Unit 6. Thank you, and see you in the next lecture.